Hey beauty, today I'm going to be doing a Temu beauty haul. If you're new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button down below. I'm just excited as you are, so I'm rushing this intro. Let's get started. Temu is sponsoring this video and I actually feel like it is so meant to be because I saw a comment requesting a Temu fashion haul and I was scrolling their website because I had never heard of them, and as I'm scrolling I get an email from Temu wanting to collab, so I feel like this was a match made in heaven. Temu is a brand new website that's supposed to be very similar to Wish, AliExpress, and DHgate, which I love shopping all three of those brands. So like I said, this was right up my alley. I don't think that I spent more than $15 on any of these items. Most of them were under $10, which is incredible. The first item I want to talk about is one of these roll-on waxing devices. This has gone viral on TikTok. It looks so incredibly easy, mess-free, and quick, which if it's not quick and easy, I tend to put it off forever. And then I just end up shaving because I have a wax pot, lugging that whole thing out and getting it all messy with the popsicle sticks. It's just time consuming and, like I said, messy. So I don't do it that often, but I feel like something like this that I can just plug in, heat up, roll on, and remove without the mess. I will do this more regularly. They do say that if you wax regularly, your hair does start to thin out and not grow as thick anymore. So I really want to get consistent with waxing, especially my armpits. It did come with the heating device, which is this aqua outer thing, and then on the inside it did come with a waxing stick. You just push it in here. It does have a plug, but once it gets hot you can just pull it off the plug and use it wirelessly. On the instructions it did say that it took about 15 to 25 minutes to heat up. It did also come with the waxing pads that you would need and some alcohol pads and of course instructions. So I'm very eager to try this. Look at me losing things here. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to mention that I am planning 2 other videos, a home devices video and a fashion video, which this little sweater top is actually from Temu as well. I've found lots of good finds, so if you're not already subscribed you definitely should, because I don't want you to miss those videos. But moving along, let's talk about something I was so eager to try because I have a lot of cellulite in my legs that I'm kind of trying to get rid of, and I've been working out more regularly and I just wanted something that would help that along, because I read somewhere that you can't actually get rid of all your cellulite just from working out. So when I saw this on Temu, I was very curious because it's like a heated massager. It has different settings on the side. So it says tapping, massage, knead, scraping, and slimming. And then it has different levels right here on the side. It shows that you can massage your arms, your tummy, the booty, and your legs and thighs. I think I finally figured it out, and it's because I shocked the heck out of myself. So just be careful and read the instructions. This is the EMS, and it kind of like sends waves from here onto the section that you have these on. But the infrared option right here is kind of like a Foreo device or a New Face device. You do have to apply a thick layer of lotion so that it doesn't shock you or anything like that. I will be 35 in December, and I feel like using my Foreo device regularly for the past couple years has really helped with any wrinkles and definitely shaping my jawline. So I have faith that this will help me on my cellulite. That's really all I wanted to use it for. I'm actually very excited to try this. The next beauty device that I ended up picking out was this multifunctional electric shower brush. This is what it looks like. You actually just pull off the head right here, and that's where the charging port is. The heads are super easy to get on and off. It's a blue light for the slow mode, green for medium, and red for fast. And you can just go back and forth between them. Hold it down to turn it off. This is the deep cleaning brush. This one right here is the mud brush, and I feel like this is gonna be good to get all my patchy old self tan off. So this head does actually come off if you wanna take it off. And it does have an arrow right here on the top, so you know which side is the upside. It snaps right back on. And then this one is the Comfort Shower Brush. And the exfoliating is like a metal textured plate. It did come sealed, and yeah, I'm excited for that. I love all the options. And it did also include a charging cord, which I did plug in right here. Not gonna lie, I didn't film the fashion video first because my self tanner right now is very patchy. Not so much on my arms and chest, but definitely on my legs. So I'm gonna use that ASAP. This next item is a mist sprayer. I thought that this would be great for my setting sprays so that I can keep one in my purse. And it's more of like a mist. You can just put water and some essential oils in here. I have a label maker. I probably should put a label on which setting spray this is. But basically you just put the water or setting spray in here and then connect it like this. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. And then to go along with it, I did pick up this face fan, which I don't really even feel like my face is wet. I don't feel like I need to fan my face off, which is kind of exciting. But for when I do use just a regular setting spray, or even just to throw in my beach bag or take it to the pool, or you know, anywhere where you're gonna be outside and hot for a long time, you can just pre-charge this and fan yourself off. It has 3 different settings. This is great if you're a sports mom or you're planning a beach trip or a Disney trip. I would totally throw this in my handbag. Even one of these just to put water in and mist yourself off when you're hot. Great summertime beauty staples right here. This one was so affordable that I grabbed 3. Literally, I don't even think this was more than $2, which is insane. I did also grab a 4-pack of these little wristband water catchers for when you're washing your face. Again, this was like maybe $2, and I like that I got a multi-pack with some fun colors. Especially with doing self-tan, it gets so annoying when I'm washing my face and I just get like water streaks down, like then I have to go back and buff it back in and make sure that it is not smudged or anything. So I definitely feel like this will come in handy. It'll save a lot of my pajamas from getting wet in the sleeves, and I can go to bed comfy with dry pajamas. Okay, so moving into the more like makeup-y things that I picked up, I did run across these half lashes. They had lots of good reviews, and I've been wanting a set of half lashes recently. I was looking in my lashes drawer and I have just a bunch of dramatic strip lashes, and I wanted something more natural, so I went with these. I am wearing them right now, and you can mostly tell in the outer corner because they are half lashes. My natural lashes have been doing so good. I've been doing grande lash every night, so I've kind of wanted to play my naturals up without having to do lash extensions. extensions because I've recently decided that I'm just not a fan of lash extensions. I would much rather just pop a strip lash on because it keeps my natural lashes a little bit more healthy. So yeah, I grabbed these and I'm kind of really obsessed with them. They're very natural, not too long. They blended easy. They've been super comfortable. And now I understand the hype around half lashes. I'm definitely going back for more of these. This I am so excited for. It is a highlight powder spray. I kind of wish that I would have talked about this first because then I could have had highlight throughout this whole video. Look how freaking adorable that is. I've always wanted one of these. Oh my gosh. I actually have a body oil here. That's what it looks like without it. It's a nice, fine little glitter. But let's try the body oil. This is by Ciate London. It is their Dewy Sticks Body Oil Gloss. I just got it in and I'm kind of obsessed, mostly because it's in a stick form. This is so much easier and less messy. Ooh, this would be great for special occasions if you're getting married. Oh, I shook it up and it started coming out more. There we go. Wow, I could probably even put this on my face. Mist myself down. All right, I'm having way too much fun here. I am very happy with everything that I've bought, and I do have one more item. It is a set of makeup brushes, and let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is a 2-in-1. I don't have anything like this. Oh, this is a 2-in-1 too. I didn't even notice. There's that one. Looks like a blush brush, a little contour brush. Ooh, another little blush brush. I feel like I can never have too many of these like fluffy brushes, but also I appreciate these smaller ones too. And the ones that are 2-in-1s. Okay, I'm very happy with these. I like that they are just a black and a white. They feel super soft. I'm definitely going to wash these before I use them. I'm so excited to use these. There's a good variety. They were very affordable and they're also very aesthetic. So I appreciate that. That's everything that I have to share with you today. But remember, I have 2 more Temu videos coming. I also share lots of Amazon and Walmart fashion. So if you are not already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the fam. I had so much fun hanging out with you today and I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.